Hi guys, welcome back to the Home and Homestead. If you're new, I'm Rebecca, and today I'll be sharing with you a tips and tricks. We'll be going over how you can really quickly convert a Slim Can Coozie or Slim Can Colster and adapt it so that a slightly shorter can can fit in there nicely like your other similar 12-ounce Slim Can beverages. So follow along while I share these tips and tricks with you. So here we have a number of Slim Can beverages. These are all of similar height. This one's a little bit shorter. So when you try to place it into this Slim Can Colster or metallic Can Coozie, there's a little bit of room and it makes it kind of awkward to drink out of, and the can kind of slides around in there. There's just that little extra play. This particular Can Colster or metallic Can Coozie is by Yeti. There's also a number of different manufacturers that make similar designed Can Coozie products. So I'll pull this can out. So over the weekend we stopped at a hardware store and we picked up some 1 7/8 inch plastic cups. These are used under furniture, maybe table legs and things like that. It was $1.49 for a pack of 4. So I just took one of those plastic cups, put it into the bottom of the Colster. Now it fits snugly inside of here, and our beverage can stay nice and cool without that extra play and awkwardness of trying to drink it. So that plastic cup worked as a spacer to take up that extra room for us. So now we can enjoy a nice cool beverage even if the Slim Can is slightly shorter inside of this style of a Can Coozie or Slim Can Colster. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip where we were able to convert our Slim Can Colster or 12-ounce metallic Can Coozie so that it could accommodate a slightly shorter can and keep that beverage cool as well. These little plastic cups that we use as a spacer for this tip can easily fit inside of a cooler, backpack, your purse, or even in your pocket. They're reusable and clean nicely. This is a quick and inexpensive fix, and if you have a slightly shorter can in this style beverage holder, I hope you give it a try. Well, if you're new to the channel or haven't done so yet, I would really appreciate you subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Take care.